Hello everyone and welcome to Ghanem Marketing. In this tutorial video, we're going to talk about Google Tag Manager. So what is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager, it's a tag management system created by Google to manage a JavaScript and HTML tags. So you have some questions in your mind. What is Google Tag Manager? Still, I didn't know what you're talking about. Google Tag Manager, guys. First of all, we're gonna create all the tags and all the codes, and you're gonna put it in one container. In this one container, we call it your websites. So let's find out. So today we're gonna file one code from analytics code. So the first thing you have to do here, guys, you will go to analytics, then you will go to the tracking info, tracking code. Then I will take this tracking ID, copy it. Then I will go back to Google Tag Manager. We're gonna configure this tag. I will rename this. I said Google Analytics, for example, all pages. Sorry, all pages. Right. So I will go to configure this tag. I'll go to Universal Analytics, Google Analytics. Right. Then I will choose here new variable. Then I will paste this code here. Right. Then I will rename it here. I prefer to rename it. It's the same tracking ID. Right. Then save. All right. There's something wrong. I prefer to, let's say, Google Analytics. All right. And after that, I will hit save again, and I will add the triggers. I will choose all pages and add. Save. If I go to Yakin, then I'll go back to Analytics, Home. It will take just a couple of minutes. So the code is fired on Yakin International website. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can go to the contacts page and fill the form, and I will get back to you shortly. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.